Hi everyone! To make the cat's body, I cut a 15 cm circle and I'm going to baste all the way around it. I'm using heavy duty thread because it's very strong, but you can use any thick thread. I basted all the way around it. Now we just need to add plenty of stuffing. Guys, I'm going to add the stuffing. And I'm going to leave an opening here to add more stuffing. This is heavy-duty thread. Any thick thread you use will work. Now, using the scissors, I'm going to add a lot of stuffing. Open the scissors just a little and you can really add a lot of stuffing until it gets nice and round. I stuffed it a lot. I cut a 13 cm circle, made a yo-yo, and stuffed it a lot. Now we put glue here. Press it. And wait for it to dry. To make the little paws, I cut 4 8-cm circles, basted them all the way around, and stuffed them with filling. Apply the glue. I'm going to glue it. I'm going to glue 2 at a time. Press it and wait for it to dry. You can stay there holding it so the hot glue doesn't show. To make the ear, I cut a 4 cm circle, fold it in half, fold it again, and put a little stitch here. Then we sew right along the edge. Make a little stitch to finish it off. And it's done. I cut a piece of felt measuring 16 centimeters by 1 centimeter. I'm going to position it here first. It worked perfectly. Now just apply a little bit of hot glue. Tell me, are you going to make this little cat? To sell, to give as a gift, for the children, or for yourself? Anyone who likes cats will love making this little cat. And it's easy. Very easy. I cut felt, 3 cm by 2 cm. I fold it in half. I make a few stitches. And the bow tie is ready. Super easy. I painted the little face with the Micron 005 micro pen. Look how beautiful it turned out, guys. I'm in love, and it's super easy to make. If you liked this video, like it, share it, leave a comment. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.